welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Slayed Up Mommy, and today we are going to be getting into this purple cut crease. So I was really excited about this, and I hope you guys are too. We're going to start priming our face, and then we're going to set that primer with translucent powder. Then we're going to do our brows with our NYX Microbrow pencil in the color Espresso. And we're just going to clean up our brows with our LA CoverGirl concealer. So we're going to go into our crease with this color Transformer from the Morphe 35M palette. It's a really deep purple. And we're just going to really make sure we blend that into the crease and also blend it out like you would a wing. And then we're going to go above that with the color Bad Boy from the Morphe 35V palette. It's still a deep purple, but it's not as dark. And then we're going to go above that with the color Escape from the James Charles palette. And blend everything out. And then we're going to cut our crease. So I actually use coconut oil to take off most of the product, and then I wipe the coconut oil away with the makeup wipe. And then I'm actually going to use the NYX white base. And blend that out. So I'm going to go into the inner corner of my eye with the color Single from the James Charles palette. It's like kind of like a little lilac-y purple. I really like it. I'm just making sure it's even, and then I'm going to go into the outer corner of my eye with the purple from my Juvia's Place Zulu palette. And I'm just going to make sure that I'm also blending it in to the Single. All right, now I'm going back in with the color Escape from the Morphe palette and just going across the white that's going to be my wing. And then I'm going to go over the color Single with the color Artistry from the James Charles palette, and then also the color Grape Expectations from the 35V palette. Now we're just going to clean everything up on our under eye and shape the wing with a makeup wipe. This is a really important step because you really want the shape to take hold before you put any kind of foundation on your face. Also, I have a lot of fallout. I don't know why. So that's just a must for me. Cleaning my face with the makeup wipe is a must. All right, you guys, it's time for foundation. Now, I don't know why I've been sleeping on Juvia's Place foundation sticks as long as I have, but baby, let me tell you right now, I just want to say I'm sorry, Juvia. You didn't deserve to be slept on like that, because this foundation stick is it's like second skin. It's like I didn't know that I had never had foundation that was matching like it should until I put this on my face and saw what the correct foundation shade could look like. All right, now we're just going to hop right on into highlighting. I'm going to use 3 different highlighters as always, just to kind of give my face the gradient effect. So I think I'm using my Juvia's Place in the color 15, my Maybelline Infallible in the color Toffee, and then my Warm Caramel from my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. They're all essential parts of my life. And to contour, I think I'm using, I'm using my Juvia's Place concealer. I think that's in the number 3. I'm just gonna blend all of that out. Blending, starting with the inner corner of your eye for your highlight and then working your way out. All right, now make sure you press that into your skin. Really, really press it into your skin. It's important. Now I'm going to grab my little angled foundation brush and just press. I'm not going to smear it. I'm going to press the contour into my face. I don't want it to move from where it is. I just really want it to blend in, so I'm pressing like just a tapping motion just to make sure it's in there but not going anywhere, if that makes sense. Like, just, you don't want to spread it around, just tap, 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 tap. All right, we're going to grab our banana powder from Black Radiance, and we're going to start setting our highlight. So really what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus right there under my eye first, and I'm just going to put a lot of powder under there, and then I'm going to brush it away. So after I let that sit and I've like really pressed it in under my eye, I'm going to brush it all out, and then I'm going to take the banana powder and pat it into my skin like I regularly would. But it's just really important for me to get that extra bit of coverage under my eye because my eye creases so much. Now to set our contour, I'm going to grab that BH Cosmetics Sculpting palette. Baby, this has been my friend for forever. I have 3 because I use the same 3 colors. I have 3 of these palettes. Just go ahead and wipe that wherever you did your contour. You know what? I'm not a big fan of blush, but I'm just going to put a little blush right there on my cheeks. Just a little bit, just a tad bit. All right, you guys, so I'm going in with this Justine Skye iridescent powder from MAC. It's this pretty purple color. I don't remember buying this at all. I don't. I just remember one day it was in my makeup kit, I think it might have been a gift. It was probably a gift. So I'm really obsessed with NYX lip products. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with the NYX Suede Lip Liner in the color Brooklyn Thorn. Then I'm gonna grab my lip lingerie in the color Teddy, or the number 10, however you prefer to say it. And then I'm gonna go right there in the middle of my lips, kind of to give it that gradient effect, with their Line&Load in the color Never Listen, or 2, which is like just a lighter brown, so it just blends everything together. All right, I'm gonna grab that NYX eyeliner pen and go ahead and line my eye, but I'm not gonna do anything as far as a wing, just because I've got that deep purple going out on the wing. All right, now I'm just gonna pop some lashes on those bad boys, and I'm gonna grab the Ardell Wispies. I really like these. They look natural, but also they don't have that weird black line, so if I blink, you can't really tell. Now we're gonna just set this whole situation and call it a day, or a night, whichever. All right, you guys, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to check the description box below for a detailed list of every single product that I've used on my face. Follow me on Instagram, and like, subscribe, and share this video with all of your friends. As always, I love you and have a great day.